Hello and welcome to the CRM Lite Edition Excel template. This is a quick demo video to show you all the cool functionalities packed in here. This template is designed to help you manage your client data and keep it all in one place. I designed and created it for small and medium businesses, as well as freelancers who could need a more robust tool but who are not just going to buy an expensive software subscription or tool. You can draw inspiration from this video to create your own tool or check out its functionalities if you think this could be a good fit for you. Now that we're all set, let's dive straight into the good stuff. I want to use our time together to give you a quick overview of this template. Let's begin with the structure. So this file is a subset of the all-in-one CRM and client invoice tracker. This template implements only the database and the interactions component. Like in the complete CRM and the client invoice tracker templates, the client database acts as the common and foundational element. Here you will store all your client's data. And the advantage of Excel is that it's of course offline and secure, so your data is pretty much safe. The CRM Lite Edition also comes with an interaction worksheet, which is basically an activity planner and log for client interactions or tasks. In addition, there's also a customization worksheet at the very beginning, where you can customize all labels and dropdowns used across your template. Let's take a look at how you customize your template. The first thing you will see is a general client attributes dropdown, so in this leftmost section. For instance, you can decide if you want to change or add any values to better classify your clients, or even their status or priority here at the very end. Next, you will find a section for the database labels. Then, similar to your client data labels, you will also find labels for the interactions worksheet here at the rightmost section. In each section, there are labels and sometimes additional dropdowns, which you will also customize if needed. So for example, here you have additional dropdowns for interaction type, for priority, as well as for the status. Let's now talk about the database. You can store all your client details here in your client's worksheet. The table is structured around four main categories. First, the client details, then business information, the account relationship and management, and the client engagement and activity. You will add all your information here, but stay away from the blue background cells, so V and W, as they are automated and they pull data directly from the interactions worksheet. To add a new client, simply start using a blank row. In this case, it would be 25. Obviously, you will start with a blank template, but this data is just to serve as an example for this demonstration. By default, this template comes with 1,000 pre-formatted rows. So as you can see, it goes all the way to row 1004. But obviously, you can add more if needed. One very important thing is that clients in this database must be unique. If duplicate values are found, they will be marked as red. For instance, what happens if I want to add Hill Inc. again here at the very bottom? You can see that now it's highlighting those in red because it's duplicate value. Also, it's very important that you add first a client before you can move to the other worksheets, in this case to add any interactions. So now let's talk about those. Let's take a look at the interactions. This table has a very similar format to my task planner and task manager. Use the table provided to define and manage all your interactions. Interactions are essentially key activities or tasks designed to strengthen client relationships and drive added value. You can plan, manage, update, highlight, and track overall progress for the interactions. And you can change the attributes on this list based on how they evolve over time. You can set status to completed, so for example here in status, completed as these three first rows, to mark it as completed or done. Optionally, you can also add a completion date and a follow-up date, so completion date and follow-up date, and these values are automatically reflected back in your client database. This template comes pre-formatted with 5,000 rows, so from row 6 to 5,005, but obviously there's much more space if you need to add additional items. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. I will continue to upload demos as well as free tutorials and courses to help you level up, so feel free to subscribe and stay tuned. If you're interested in more productivity and planning tools, check out my store. The link is in the description below. Until next time, stay productive, stay awesome.